Ever get the feeling you've been framed? I'm John Bjerg of PC Mag. I'm here at Cooler Master at CES 2025, and we're looking at a new PC case design here called the MasterFrame. There's an array of them here in different sizes. There's a lot going on with them, so let's take a look. The idea behind the MasterFrame is that you can use this as sort of a blank canvas for your PC build. You can swap things around, like front panels, like different side panels. You can place things within the actual case in different places. You can sort of just do your own thing, and that's sort of the concept that Cooler Master is trying to elicit here. 3 samples here on the deck. We've got a Master Case 400, Master Case 600, Master Case 800. Those correspond to micro ATX, full ATX, and extended ATX. So coming to market, first will be the 600, the mainstream ATX size. In the US, it's going to start at around $200. In other markets, around $250. You basically get all the parts you need to do a full PC build, but that's only sort of the beginning of this concept. So the basis of the MasterFrame is this framework that you can see here, a bunch of rails with perforations around the edges and some magnets. The idea here is that you can get different side panels. Right now, Cooler Master is showing off at the show a whole bunch of different textures and materials for side panels. They won't be available necessarily right at the time of launch of the case, but the thinking is you can have things that can complement your decor in terms of materials, texture, color, and things of that sort. We can take a look at what we have over here. We have some wood panels in different colors, sort of a dark wood, light wood. We have one here that's a slate material, like a stone slate material. A couple of different kinds of glass. This one here has a sort of ribbed design with a little bit of a sheen on it. This one is a little bit reminiscent of sort of like, say like bathroom, shower stall kind of glass, but it's very kind of elegant appearance on it. So a lot of different things you can do, and there's also a mix and match aspect to this too. If you look at the top of the case, we've got a port panel positioned there in this sample, for instance. Behind it, we have the ventilation panel. You could take this off and you can put it on the front. So you can have your ports on the front at the top. You can have your ports on the bottom on the front. You can have your ports in the back on the top. You can put them where you want and sort of shift the pieces around since the measurements make it all work out. So here's a look inside the Master Case 600. As you can see here, we've got the standard PSU shroud. We've got a frame for the drives, for 3.5-inch drives. The idea with the rails here is that you can move the motherboard up and down. You can take the shroud for the PSU and mount it on top, and do a arrangement where the motherboard's lower, power supply's higher. You basically have the flexibility to move the parts around inside of here. Same thing with this plate here for 2.5-inch drives. So maximum flexibility here. The Master Case 600 should be the first one to hit the market. Like I mentioned earlier, about $200 in the US, $250-ish in other geographies. Should hit the street in Q2. So we're really looking forward to getting one of these into PC labs, building out with it, and maybe even getting a couple of the side panels to do some swapping and accessorizing. Thanks for watching.